namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a good day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So, today's pick a card reading is about messages from your ancestors and your angels. So what you need to know right now, that is going to be the topic for today. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So yeah, so I have three groups over here. I have kept 3 cards and 3 crystals over here. You can select intuitively. So for group number 1, this is the card and this is the crystal labradorite. Okay. For group number 2, it's Tiger's Eye. And for group number 3, Aquamarine Crystal. So close your eyes, relax, take a few deep breaths and let go of all the worries and connect with yourself and select a crystal or a card that calls to you intuitively. Okay, if you need more time, take your time, pause the video, take your time and then select a pile that calls to you. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so watch accordingly. So I'm gonna go with group number 1. Hello lovelies, hello group number 1. So let's see what you need to know right now. Messages from ancestors and angels for you guys right now. With this labradorite crystal, a lot of protection is there for you guys. Your angels and ancestors are protecting you, so call upon them for more protection. Okay, and I feel this crystal will help you to reduce stress. If you have some sort of stress, use this crystal, or maybe you can use white light meditation for releasing your stress and for protecting yourself. Like I feel like you need some protection right now, so call upon Archangel Michael or call upon your ancestors and use white light meditation so you can protect yourself, or use sage, use Palo Santo. Okay, so that is very important for you guys right now. You need to protect your energy. Okay, and interestingly, your first card is like arrow. Surround yourself with protective energy. So yeah, call upon your ancestors and angels for protection. That is the first card for you guys. You need to protect. Maybe for some of you, it's like your surroundings. In your surrounding, there are people who are taking away your positivity. I feel like maybe they're doing it unintentionally, so sometimes people don't even know that they are doing that. But for you guys, I feel like you need to shield yourself, you need to protect yourself. Okay, surround yourself with protective energy. So maybe your friends or family members, they are taking away the positivity from you, or maybe maybe because of the circumstances, they are always putting out that negative thoughts, like how the world is going to be, like people are dying. Sometimes I feel like people become negative because of the circumstances, and it is affecting you. And your spirit guides, your angels, our ancestors are telling you to protect yourself from those energies. So if you feel like there is a conversation happening between your friends about how things are going bad, if you don't feel like listening to that, maybe you need to walk away from that, right? So it's important, you need to protect your energy because this will affect you. So that's this first message. So for others, it's like you are surrounded by toxic people who are trying to take away your power. So it's important you protect yourself, walk away from the people who are taking away your, sometimes people, if you're around people who make you uncomfortable, it's time to walk away from those kind of people. Okay, maybe for at least for 1 hour, if you can do it, do it. Sometimes it's not possible, I understand that, but definitely call upon angels, archangels, so you can protect your energy. Sometimes maybe you wake up very happy, and when you meet other people, your energy, your energy goes away, like that positive vibes of yours fade away. So don't let that happen because of other people. Okay, so yeah, the next one is also Chinnamasta, like look, letting go of this toxic environment. For some of you, you are in this toxic place where people are putting so much of pressure onto you. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like that people are trying to make you do something that you don't want to do, or maybe there is a lot of work that you are doing and it's not even your work. So you don't have to do other people's work. That is what I feel like. It's time to let go of the, for some of you, I even feel like you're doing it for the sake of society. Something, maybe you're in a relationship because of your society, or you're in a relationship because your parents wants you to do that, or maybe you're in a career field because of your parents. So this thing is not making you happy, right? So it's time to get out of that. It's time to let go of it. It's time to trust yourself. You have certain plans, but right now what I feel like, you're doing something else that is not you, that is not your plan. Maybe other people are telling, go do this job, go do this will give you money, or maybe you don't want to do it, right? So maybe there are people who are making you do this because of the society, like, oh, you are at this age now, you need to get married. Maybe they are forcing you, and because of that you're getting very negative. Or yeah, it's time to cut that thing. That is very important. Or maybe speak your truth, like letting go of the society. Every I feel like every people's journey is different. Everything happens at a different time for different people, right? You don't have to compare that if your neighbor get married or not, whatever. If your friends are getting married, you don't have to compare it it to your journey. Like if you are not maybe your friends are good at what they do, or they have a high secure job, and you don't have that, and your parents or your family members or your neighbors are like, oh, why don't you have a job? Or sometimes they try to they try to overdo things. Maybe sometimes maybe our parents try to over advise us, and that is not good. Yeah, I don't know why I feel like maybe you're getting like a lot of advices from different people, and you're like not trusting yourself right now, and you're like, if I do this thing it will not work out because people are saying, because your plans are different from other people and their plans are different. So it's like your angels and spirit guides are telling, protect your energy from these kind of people. Trust yourself more, trust your intuition more, because maybe when you talk to these kind of people, uh, you don't trust yourself or something like that. Look, we have five of swords energy, right? That's the thing happening. So definitely with this, okay, maybe your friends are not understanding you, or maybe your friends are like, they're trying to make you feel low, like you don't have a good job. I got married, you're not, when are you getting married? Or something that your friends are doing that triggers you, or something like that. Or maybe your family members are trying to maybe they are doing it unintentionally, but it is affecting you in a way, and it is taking away the positive vibration from you. So it's time to have that boundary. If you don't want to listen to something, you can just walk away from it, okay? Sometimes we need to do that in life. We cannot think about, sometimes in life what we do is like, we always think about other people emotion, what will they feel, rather than thinking that what will I feel. So it's important that you protect your own emotions, right? So that is what I feel like, because we have been conditioned for that, right? From the childhood we are told we shouldn't hurt anyone. Like sometimes it's difficult, we get hurt, and we try to not hurt other people. So it's important you draw a line, okay? If there are people who are doing that, it's time to speak up your truth and just get out. It's you can just say, I know what I'm doing, I trust myself. Because I feel like these people around you are taking away your confidence, and that's why your angels and ancestors are like, stay away from them. Don't take their energies. Don't For some of you, I even feel like it's important that you don't take their advice, okay? It's important you connect with your angels, our ancestors, and trust your intuition, okay? That's very important. And look, interestingly, you got Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups. So new things, new beginnings. For some of you, it's like you're getting out of a toxic relationship, and there is a potential for new relationship. It can be like a friendship also, good friendship, good people, high vibe people, connecting with good people, the people who will give you good advice, right? Sometimes people, like with this Five of Swords, sometimes our parents do that, make us feel like that we are not worthy. maybe they have high hopes. And when we don't come to that, they are like, why are you like this, you are useless, they use, sometimes our parents use that words, and if it affects us, maybe you are in the situation where parents are using that word, so just forgive them because they're doing it unintentionally. All you need to do is to trust yourself right now, because there are new beginning for you guys, right? New beginning with this Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands. So trust your intuition, trust your own passion, okay? For some of you, there is a new job, you're getting out of a toxic workplace, a new job, a new passion. Maybe for some of you, you will quit your job and start something from home, something that you can connect with your heart, right? Emotionally, that you love doing, something that you love to do. So, for some of you, and there will be people who will be like, no, don't do that, that will not give you money, that will not give you income, and because of that you might doubt yourself. And that's why I feel like your angels are like strictly saying, don't trust them, it's time to trust your intuition. If sometimes when we trust our intuition, sometimes things might not feel like it's going good, but trust me guys, eventually it will be for our highest good. So that is what I feel for you guys. And if you have these kind of friends, it's time to step away from these kind of friends. But I feel like you are going to get good friends also, okay? So don't compare yourself. The first thing that is also very important, don't compare your journey with anyone's else journey, okay? So that's also very important here. And you have a fire, you have a passion inside of you, go follow that, the thing that makes you emotionally very very happy. So for some of you, there is a person also coming, maybe a friend that will make you happy, that will try, the person that will help you grow, that will understand you. I feel like you're in a place where people don't understand you, they don't understand your ideas, and because you're different, because your plans are different. So yeah, because you don't want to do that 9 to 5 job, or maybe so maybe you're around people who are very career oriented, or maybe they want to they want is like name in the society, but you are different from that. For you guys, I feel you want to do something that fulfills your heart, right? So yeah, so it's time to trust yourself, it's time to follow your heart, it's time to let go of the people who are not understanding you. You can just walk away, you don't have to take their energy, you don't have to take their advice. Sometimes people say something, it affects us, and because of that we don't trust ourselves. Don't let that happen, okay? Look, magic stream, so everything is going to flow freely. So don't try to be in the past energy. Oh my god, I did this in the past, it didn't work out, and people are not supporting. So I feel like maybe because of that you're like very you're not trusting yourself, and spirit is like, it's time to trust your intuition, it's time to believe in yourself, it's time to be confident and follow your heart, follow your passion, okay? I'm getting, don't listen to like, it's like, don't listen to other people, it's time to listen to yourself. It's time to look, the last card is like, we have trust, I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. That's the thing, because your ancestors, angels are giving you messages. So trust your intuitive nudges. For this group, what I feel, what you need to know right now is like, strongly don't take other people advice right now. You can, but you need to trust your intuition before taking action with that. So it's time to trust yourself, because there is new beginning, there is new wonderful opportunities for you guys, for friendship also, new friendships, new relationships, new something new that will make you happy, that will make you satisfied. Maybe you have a job right now, maybe that job pays you well, but you're not happy there, and you want to quit, and you ask your parents, and your parents are like, no, don't do that, it will not give you. And because of it, you are like not trusting yourself, you're not ready to quit that job because your parents are not allowing, or maybe your spouse is not ready for that. So it's like, you need to trust yourself, and you need to do it anyway. So because this will give you a lot of happiness, this will give you a lot of satisfaction. So yeah, it's time to trust, go with the flow. Don't let your past stop you from achieving your goals, don't let people stop you from achieving your goals, okay? Maybe because of other people, you, or maybe you are a mother or you're a father, and because of your responsibilities, you stop yourself from doing that thing. Maybe you want to learn something new, and you're like, ask, or maybe you ask advice from your spouse, and your spouse is like, no, no, it will not be helpful because it will take money, you'll not be able to go to job when you're studying, or maybe something like that, so it's like you need to protect your energy, you need to trust yourself, you need to trust your intuition. Okay, that's it I'm getting for group number 1. And use labradorite for your spirituality also. This stone is good. Yeah, I think you need this one, and this is a very lucky stone also, right? So yeah, that's it for my group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. If you chose this red tiger's eye, then this is your reading. So it's time to motivate yourself, it's time to gain back that confidence. For some of you, I feel like you have lost something in recently, maybe a job, a relationship, or something that was close to you. You have lost something, and maybe you're feeling very low. So it's time to motivate yourself, it's time to gain that confidence back. Call upon your angels and ancestors for assistance. Okay, ask them for guidance. Just ask universe for guidance. They will, you shall receive a sign, and that is also what I'm feeling. Okay, and the first card here is eagle. See from a higher perspective. So right now you are told to see from a higher perspective, like the eagle go, they fly so high, they have such a high view. So right now I feel like your angels and spirit guides want you to know that your view is limited, you are only seeing things from a certain perspective. So because of that, you're feeling that there is no way out, there is no solution. Yeah, so yeah, that is what I feel like. So they are telling you to let go of that limited vision, and it's time to change that perspective, and you can. And with this card, your angels and ancestors are telling you that you can see from a higher perspective, you have that intelligence, and it's time to let go of the ego or the things that is stopping you. For some of you, it's your limited view. Now you are in this way, you're only seeing things. Sometimes we do that, right, in our life. When we go through a situation, we feel like that there is no solution, there will be no a way out, but there is a way out. You will come out of this situation. All you need is to have a higher perspective. And when you trust, so if you need that creative solution, just meditate, ground your energy, call upon ancestors and angels. You will get your message through your intuition or through signs. So it's time to fly high like the eagle. Okay, it's like triumph over your problems. That is what I feel like. Your obstacles will go when you change your perspective. Okay, so if you're thinking that you're not worthy, if you're thinking that you're not confident enough, if you're thinking like I'll not be able to make that money, or if you're thinking that nothing will work for me, I will not be in a relationship because maybe you have gone through a major breakup or something like that. If you're thinking like that, it's time to change your view. It's just a limited perspective that you have right now. Okay, sometimes it's like that. So they're telling you to change that, and they're telling you that because you have that much intelligence, you are able to do that. Okay, that is what is coming through for you guys. Look, yeah, we have 3 of swords. Exactly, there has been some sort of pain, disappointments. Maybe you lost someone recently, maybe a relationship didn't go well, or maybe your job didn't go well, something. But it's ending, guys. With this 10 of swords, you're ready to let go of this pain. That's the thing. They are telling you, you're just seeing from a limited view. You're feeling like, sometimes when we are in this space, we feel like that nothing is going to work, nothing will happen. I always live like this. Sometimes we feel like that. Maybe you are going through a phase where where you have lost your self-esteem, where you have lost your confidence, where you are not believing in other people, where you're not trusting yourself, where now you don't believe in relationships anymore because people have been hurting you, or maybe you don't believe in your friendships. So you have that limited view, or you feel like that you're not capable enough to have good friendships or relationship, that you're not worthy. Maybe you're feeling like that. So it's like your spirit is saying that, your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors wants you to know right now it's not the case. You're just seeing from a very limited view. Change your perspective. Okay, and this thing, the 3 of swords, the pain is going to end. You have gone through worst, and this is over. And that's a message for you guys. You have seen the worst, now it's over. You're going to move forward. You need to let go of your past. That is also very important. I feel like you're getting into this healing energy. You're healing slowly, but you need to let go of that. Sometimes our ego tells us that we are not capable enough to have good relationship, right? Our ego does that. So it's like you're trusting more in your fear rather than your faith. I feel like your faith has been shaken right now. So it's like your spirit guides, your ancestors are telling you to trust yourself, to have more faith. Okay. Yeah, look. Yeah, look the change here. She's standing, she's like, yes, I want to move forward. Now she is like moving forward, right? So yeah, you're going to move forward. You're not going to be in this space forever, right? So yeah, understand that. There, you for some of you, I feel like you will have a good news also coming with this Page of Wands, a good message that will make you like that you will get into that excitement again. Maybe you have lost a job, maybe it's about a new job, something like that, something that you're passionate about, or maybe something exciting is going to happen for sure. You're yeah, this woman is like standing there. She's like, oh, whether I should walk forward or not, and the next, like, she's like ready to walk, like she's running, right? She's just jumping. So yeah, that's the thing. Your energy will change definitely. And you got two cards from Kalima deck also. We have Durga, Kalika, and this is also like I feel like there is some unexpected victory happening for you guys with this Page of Wands also. That is what I feel like right now you're waiting for something. Maybe for some of you, you're like, you're waiting for something and finally things will happen for you guys. There is some sort of unexpected victory for you guys. That is what you need to know. Right now you are feeling low, you are like yes, some tragedy is going to be transformed into success. Yeah, some sort of tragedy is going to be transforming into success. So yeah, maybe you feel maybe you're right now in this space like where you're feeling that there is nothing going to happen. Maybe you're losing your confidence, you're losing your trust, but spirit guides, angels and ancestors are telling you to see things from a different perspective, from a higher perspective, and things are going to transform. Some sort of unexpected blessings are coming your way. Okay, so right now all you need to do is to have faith in yourself, in your journey, and remember things will be okay for you guys. Okay, so maybe for some of you are feeling like nothing can change, or you're feeling like your life will be like this only, or you're even feeling like you're not meant to have good things. It's wrong, it's not true. Okay, you are meant to have good things, you are meant to have blessings. So yeah, something exciting, some good news, some sort of unexpected things are going to come your way that will make you really happy. So don't lose your fire, don't lose your passion, don't lose your faith. Okay, so that's what I feel with this card. So that's very important. Sometimes we lose our faith, we lose our confidence because of the situation, right? So it's like you have this fire, you need to nourish yourself, take care of yourself. That is also I'm feeling here. So maybe for some of you, you're not eating properly, or maybe you're not drinking water properly, or maybe you are doing some emotional eating where you're eating a lot of junk food or something like that. If that's the case, it's time to nourish your soul, it's time to cook good food and eat good food. Okay, and slowly but surely you will be able to overcome all the obstacles, and you will be able to get to your goals. Maybe for some of you there are big goals, and maybe there have been a recent disappointment or something like that, and because of that you're feeling like nothing is going to happen in my life, nothing. You're in that state right now, but things will shift. So don't lose your faith, don't lose your passion, because things will be okay. Just change your perspective right now. Okay, and healthy eating. Okay, yeah, we have solitude. Yeah, for some of you it's time to get into meditation, because you are stressing a lot. Maybe you are mentally, you are feeling very stuck or something like that. So when you meditate, when you spend some quality time with yourself, when you recharge, do some self-care, that is when you will get the answers. That is when you will change your perspective. That is when you will be letting go of your ego, right? So sometimes our ego, our fear come in between and tell us that we are not worthy. So maybe that is happening. So your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors are telling, connect with us. spend some quality time alone, light a candle, play a meditation music and meditate. You will get your answers, you will change your perspective, you will get solutions, right? So yeah, just trust, have faith. I feel like this, some sort of tragedy is going to be an it will be transformed into a blessing, or it will be transformed into success. So don't worry. Look at the cards here. She's crying, then she's like, okay, I'm ready to move away from the situation, and then next she's like moving forward with excitement, right? These three cards, that is what I feel for you guys. So yes, but you need to meditate, you need to ground your energy, you need to let go of that stress, let go of the past. And yes, things are not going to be like this all the time. Things change is what is constant, right? Nothing is permanent. Okay, so understand that. Yeah, so fields of dreams, your dreams are, so for some of you, you're feeling like your dreams have been taken away from you guys, or maybe you will never be able to manifest your dreams, your goals. No, it's not the case. It's there. Universe knows that you are dreaming of something, that you have dreams, and they will help you manifest your dreams. So hold on to our dreams, don't let go. Sometimes because we feel certain way, we feel like that we are not worthy of our dreams or something like that. Maybe someone's told you something and you're feeling like, no, I will not be able to achieve that dream because my goal is very big and they're telling me that. And so you start to doubt yourself. Don't do that. Okay, so spend some quality time, let go of the people who are making you doubt, or maybe there are people around you who put fear into you. So take a step back from these kind of people and nourish your dreams. Give that positive thoughts. That is very important, because your dreams are growing, because universe has listened to your dreams. I feel like they know what you want and they are working towards it. Okay, and the last card is like blame. I accept responsibility for my well-being. So sometimes we expect a lot from other people, we don't receive that back. So it's important that it always happens when we expect things from different people, we don't get it back. So it's important you expect something from yourself. You don't have to blame other people, or you don't have to blame yourself for your failures happen in life. Sometimes things doesn't go the way we want, but blaming yourself or blaming other people will not do anything. So just take responsibility for all your well-being. Eat healthy, take care of yourself, spend some quality time, meditate, connect with nature right now, and bring that positive thoughts, because I feel like you're not in that space where you're positive. Maybe for some of you, you're not thinking positively right now because you're losing hope. You're like, nothing is working for me. That kind of energy where you're heartbroken. Yeah, sometimes we expect a lot from other people and we don't receive it, so we blame other people, we blame ourselves. So just let it go. Don't blame yourself. It's the time to nourish your soul. It's time to follow your passion. Don't let your passion go. You have a passion, you have a fire inside of you, you have certain goals that you want to achieve in your life. Believe in that, keep on moving forward. This thing, yeah, something has happened right now, but it's time to see from a higher perspective. Let go of that limited view, because there are solutions that are coming. Okay, trust yourself, there are solutions. Your intuition will give you answers. When you meditate, you will get the answers. Okay, if there are hurdles, if there are obstacles, that are going to go away. Yeah, so that is what is your message. Group number 2, protect your energy. I will recommend for you guys to do meditation every day. So you can calm your energy, or maybe listen to mantras that will help you. Okay, so that's it for my group number 2. Bye bye, take care, my lovelies. Hello, group number 3. If you chose this aquamarine crystal, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what you need to know, your messages from your angels and sisters. Okay, so let's see. So with this aquamarine crystal, what I feel like, maybe for some of you, you need to go, if you can go near a water body, if you can relax, if you can meditate there, that will be very good for you guys. Maybe you connect, maybe you can manifest using, you can use water for manifestation. Use that water manifestation technique for manifesting good things in your life. If you have big dreams, use water manifestation might work for you guys. Okay, maybe go to a beach, spend some quality time there, because it will be very relaxing. Or maybe you can connect with ocean mother Yeah, Mother Earth, that is also what I feel. Connect with Mother Earth more. You are connected, you are very high vibe people. I feel like your vibration is very high, so don't sometimes because of our doubt and all yeah, sometimes I feel like maybe you doubt yourself a lot. Maybe you're very intuitive people, but you doubt your intuition. Okay, so don't doubt your intuition. Okay, so we have like, yeah, for some of you I feel like you are tarot card readers, you are energy healers, you are psychics, or maybe around you there is a person who is very psychic, who says things that comes true, right? So but with this card, I even feel like your angels and ancestors are telling, if you don't like something, like, you can change things, right? You can change your intuition and you can change your future. There is free will, right? So sometimes things, if you feel like intuitively you need to change something, go ahead and do that. Okay, and I feel many of you here are clairvoyant. That is a message I'm receiving for you guys. So trust your clairvoyant abilities, trust your intuition. Sometimes you need to do that, trust it. Because when we trust our intuition, amazing things happen, right? So always trust. Don't let doubt or fear creep in. Okay, maybe for some of you, you are very much worried about your future, even though you know intuitively that everything will be okay. You doubt. So let go of that doubt. Trust your intuition, trust your abilities. Maybe you're an artist, you see a lot of visions. Um, so use that visions for creating art. If you are very creative, use that visions. If you feel a message intuitively, write it down, work on that message. You receive a lot of messages from spirit, and your ancestors are telling, go with the flow. Don't think too much about your past failures or something like that. Let go of that and be in the present moment. That is, you are very high vibe people. I have to say, group number 3, I feel that high vibe from you guys. You're very positive people. You are becoming very optimistic. You're not the people who were like 2 years back. You're very optimistic, you're very joyful, you know things, you're very spiritual, you're very intuitive, you know about it. But sometimes there is a tendency of you doubt yourself, you doubt your own capabilities, and because of that you lose confidence or something like that. So don't let that happen. Trust yourself, because your angels are around you. And for some of others, I even feel like there is a person who guides you. Uh, so yeah, and I'm getting free will here. So if you don't like something, you can change it, right? Because we have free will. So if you feel like that you need a different sometimes our intentions change, right? So change your intentions. If you want to achieve something in your life, do that. Sometimes we feel like that we will not be able to achieve things in our life. Sometimes we feel like nothing is in our hands. Yes, but things are in our hands, right? Our thoughts are very powerful. If you think about it, if you dream about it, you can manifest that. So yeah, so it's important to see beyond the current situation right now. So you dream big, guys. That is what I feel like. Maybe you are afraid to dream big, and your angels and ancestors are like, dream big, dream big for yourself. If you want to make that big, like if you want to become a very successful person, if you want to create a big business, just go for it. Dream big, go for it. Okay, that's what I feel. Okay, Dakshina. So yeah, your fear is, I feel like for many of you there is fear. You have certain fear. Maybe you want to start something. Maybe, for example, you want to write a book. You're feeling it intuitively, but at the same time you're like, no, I cannot write book because I'm not good at writing. I don't have any writing experience. But you're feeling like writing a book. So go with it. Don't let fear creep in, because you're feeling it intuitively. So maybe you are here to write a book. So don't think too much. So maybe for some of you, you felt called to start a business, and you're like, no, I don't have any experience with business, I cannot do it. And that time the fear creeps in, and you doubt yourself. So it's like, don't doubt yourself. With this Dakshina card, I feel like, don't doubt yourself, because there is blessing happening for you guys. A lot of blessings for group number 3, I have to say. You have done a lot of shadow work also. You, maybe for some of you, you work with Kali Ma, and you have been offering her fruits, or you have been offering her flowers, or maybe money. You are offering money. or something like that. I don't know, with this dakshina card, if you're doing that, it's good, it's great, you're doing good. And if you have a temple there, if you can offer something to Kali Ma, go ahead and do it, okay. That will bring a lot of blessings into your life, okay. So if you're working with Kali Ma, remember she is with you, and she is she's helping you let that fear go and have faith, okay. That's what I feel like. But definitely there are blessings for you guys. Yeah, Six of Swords. Okay, for some of you it's like Eight of Wands. Oh my god, all about travel. Wow, look, 21, the World. 10 of Cups. You got one extra card here. So you're moving to a very better place. Things are going to happen very, very quickly for you guys. So maybe for some of you, if you like, you will get a message intuitively, like just go for it, start this business, and then this business will go move forward very quickly, and it will give you a lot of satisfaction, okay. So right now, maybe you, with the Six of Swords energy, you're doubting yourself. You're like, yeah, that's why they're telling, see beyond the current situation, don't doubt yourself, trust your intuition, go with, yes, you don't have any past experience, you're doing something for the first time, but go for it, take action. For some of you, it's like you want to travel somewhere, and you got this opportunity, but you're so afraid because you have never traveled before, or you have never left your home. Or maybe for some of you, I feel like maybe you are very afraid to relocate to a different place, and you got this opportunity, and you're like fearing, and you're like, no, I don't want to go to a different place. Don't do that, okay. This is an opportunity. If you have some travel opportunity, go for it, because this will give you so much of happiness, so much of fulfillment. For some of you, it's like you're relocating to a new home. That is also, I feel like, something. If you are looking for a new home, that is also going to happen. If you're looking ahead to travel, that is also going to happen. You will travel with your family. Maybe for some of you, you will travel, if you're away from your home, you will reunite with your family members. And if you do some social media, if you are in the social media, yes, I feel like your work will be recognized, it will reach a lot of people. Yeah, that is also what I feel. So yeah, don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your creativity, don't doubt your work, okay. Don't doubt your work, guys. Don't let that fear creep in. So trust your intuition. Your intuition is on point. There's so much of happiness, there's so much of fulfillment. Things are going to move forward for you guys. Yeah, if you're feeling stuck, if you feel like things are not moving forward, they are going to move forward. You're getting into a better place. And definitely, if you're manifesting some travel plans, if you're manifesting, that is going to happen. Here with the Six of Swords, what I have to say, we have Six of Swords, we have Eight of Wands, we have 21, the World card. So this travel thing will manifest very fast. If you're manifesting some travel, it's coming soon. Okay. And mentally also, I feel like you're coming to a very good space, okay. You're letting go of your past. Yeah, I feel like you need to practice mindfulness, okay. That's very important. Be in the present moment, enjoy your life wherever you are, enjoy that day, okay. Don't stress about your work or anything, just enjoy your day. If you have kids, play with them, enjoy it. Like your spirit guides are like telling me, you are here to enjoy life, okay. You are not here to stress, you are not here to doubt yourself. You are here to enjoy life. Enjoy life with your family. For some of you, your family is very important to you guys. You like to take care of your family. You are the one who gives good advice to your family members. You love your family. Spend quality time with your family. There's so much emotional satisfaction happening for you guys, okay. Like emotionally, you will be very satisfied. And yeah, and Kali Ma is like, blessings are coming. You're already blessed, I feel, group number 3. So why are you doubting yourself? Don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt, okay. Just go with that. Go with the flow. Trust yourself. Okay, let's see. Home, yeah. Okay, for some of you, you are relocating to a new home or something like that. This home will give you a lot of positive vibration, I feel like. So yeah, for some of you, you need to clean your space also. Okay, maybe you need to clean your space, maybe let go of the things that is not needed. Some clothes you can donate to charity. That is very important. Sage your home, protect your home. Maybe for some of you, you are traveling, you are relocating to a new home. If that is your plan, that's happening. a new beautiful house is there, a home that will give you a lot of freedom. Yeah, you okay, maybe for some of you, your freedom is very important for you guys, and don't be afraid about that. You will be financially free. Relationship also, in relationship wise also, I feel like you will be free. You will have a partner who will understand you. Maybe you need time to recharge. You like to spend some quality time with yourself, and your partner will understand that. Okay, or maybe you need to speak out that you need to some time to recharge. I need some time, give me some time, give me some space. If you want that, you will have that. You will have a home, you will have a room where you can enjoy your time. Okay, so that's very that is what I feel like. Okay, and you're correct, you're going correct, you're right on your path. Okay, you're right, you're going in this right direction. So you intuitively, you have this feeling, you have this nudge that I want to do this. That's right. If you have started it, if you have started to write that book, if you have started that YouTube channel, if you're doing that work you always wanted to do, yes, you are going good, you're going great. Don't worry, don't doubt yourself. Group number 3. And the place you will live, your spirit guides, your angels, if you're living in a place that you're not comfortable right now, in the future you will live in a place where you will be very very comfortable. You will live with the people who matches your vibration. Okay, you're not going to be living with the people whose vibration is low. Okay, that is very, wow, look at that abundance, right? I am limitless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in the physical reality. So with this free will, I talked about free will, right? You can create whatever you want in your life. You have that manifestation skill. So yeah, sometimes maybe you went to a psychic, for example, you went to a psychic and psychic told you something. It's just the future energies, right? If you don't like something, you can change it. You can change your intentions, right? So there is free will, nothing is set yet. Okay, you can create your dream life. You have that potential, and things will manifest for you when you believe in yourself, when you trust in yourself, and when you take action. Things will move very very quickly for you guys. Okay, now no one can stop you other than you. Okay, so be in this high vibe always, guys. That is the advice for you guys. And if you're feeling, sometimes you get, we are all human beings, sometimes we get in this low vibe energy. Sometimes we lose our motivation, sometimes we lose our positivity. It's okay, it's okay, but don't, um, I feel like you're practicing mindfulness. I don't know, this pile is like, stuff, spiritual stuff, about things, how to be in high vibe, how to release that negativity, how to release this old stuff. You have been doing that shadow work also, so you're doing great, and your future is very very beautiful. You don't have to stress about anything. You can create whatever you want. If you want like 6-figure account, salary or something like that, yes, you can do that, right? Whatever you want in your life. If you want a very beautiful relationship, you can have that. If you want to become famous, you can have that. You can do anything that you desire to, but you need to understand that doubting will not do anything, right? So don't doubt yourself, don't stress about your future. Be in the present moment. Okay, and understand there will be a lot of possibilities coming. If one door closes, there will be 1,000 doors opening for you guys. Okay, so be in this high vibe always. Okay, so that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.